Did you realize that approximately 80% of the dirt and dust on your home's floors is tracked in by footwear? It's quite surprising. Perhaps you can relate to the struggle of dealing with persistent stains or pet fur that seems impossible to remove completely. Stick around because today, we are diving into 8 floor cleaning hacks you need to know. Maintaining clean floors is vital for both appearance and health. Let's explore some clever cleaning tricks for 8 different home flooring types to keep your living space pristine and hygienic. Floor cleaning presents various challenges. Stubborn stains resist removal, pet hair clings tenaciously to surfaces, and different flooring materials require specific care. These issues can make maintaining a clean home feel daunting. However, the following tips will simplify your floor cleaning routine across various surfaces. Baking soda magic. The first hack is using baking soda for tough stains. Just sprinkle it on the stain, let it sit for a few minutes, and then scrub. It's a gentle abrasive that works wonders. Cornstarch for windows. You might be surprised, but cornstarch can work wonders for cleaning windows. Simply mix it with water to form a paste, apply it to the glass, and it will effortlessly lift dirt and grime, making your windows sparkle. Cornstarch for windows. You might be surprised, but cornstarch can work wonders for cleaning windows. Simply mix it with water to form a paste, apply it to the glass, and it will effortlessly lift dirt and grime, making your windows sparkle. Olive oil for wood floors. If you have hardwood floors, mix a little olive oil with vinegar to create a natural polish. Just a small amount goes a long way in bringing back the shine. Rubber glove trick. Ever tried using rubber gloves to collect pet hair? Just dampen a rubber glove, run your hand over the surface, and watch the hair stick to the glove. It's quick, simple, and highly effective. Dryer sheet dust magnet. Use an old dryer sheet to dust your floors. It picks up dust and leaves a fresh scent behind. Plus, it's a great way to repurpose those used sheets. Dish soap and water for carpets. Got a carpet stain? Mix a few drops of dish soap with warm water, dab it on the stain, and blot with a cloth. It's a simple solution that works like magic. Steam cleaning. Lastly, if you have a steam mop, use it. It's a great way to sanitize and clean your floors without harsh chemicals. Just steam away, and you'll have squeaky clean floors in no time. So, to wrap things up, we covered 8 awesome floor cleaning hacks today, from using baking soda for stains to the rubber glove trick for pet hair. These methods can really help you maintain cleaner floors with way less effort. Trust me, your floors will thank you. Which hack are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more cleaning tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning!